Ever wondered why tech companies are building massive campuses that look more like mini cities than office buildings? We're talking gyms, restaurants, parks, and even housing, all within the company walls. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tech giant headquarters to uncover the secrets behind these megastructures. Corporate campuses aren't a new idea. Way back in the early 1900s, big companies like General Motors and Bell Labs built huge headquarters. But these were just giant office buildings. You'd go to work, do your job, and head home. No fancy stuff, no perks. But things started to change in the late 1900s. Companies like Xerox and IBM realized that a boring office wasn't going to cut it anymore. They figured out that if they made their workplaces more fun and comfortable, they could attract the best and the brightest. The idea was simple. Happy employees work harder, and that's good for business. This idea really took off in the tech world. With everyone fighting to hire the best tech talent, companies like Google and Apple went all in. They didn't just build offices, they built massive campuses with everything you could ever need. We're talking gyms, restaurants, even places to live. These places are like mini-cities all on their own. So why build a whole city just for your company? It's not just about giving employees free food and nap pods. These tech giants have bigger plans. They want to create spaces that spark new ideas, show off their brand, and even shape the world around them. These aren't just office buildings, they're like mini-cities, with everything you need right there. Let's take a tour of these amazing tech headquarters and see how they're building the future, one campus at a time. Have you ever imagined working in a building that blends rich history with cutting-edge sustainability? That's exactly what Google's St. John's Terminal in New York City offers. Recognizing its potential, Google made a significant investment by purchasing the building for $2.1 billion in 2021. Originally built in 1934 as a freight train terminal, this historic structure has been transformed into a modern workspace spanning 1.3 million square feet. But how did Google turn an old rail terminal into a beacon of environmental innovation? The answer lies in ingenious engineering and thoughtful construction. 9 new floors were added atop the existing structure, creating a ground scraper that's longer than it is tall. The original framework was carefully reinforced to support this expansion, preserving the building's iconic facade. Inside, the workspace is designed for maximum flexibility, featuring movable walls and adjustable desks. This modular approach allows teams to customize their environment, fostering collaboration and innovation. St. John's Terminal embodies the city within a city concept. With amenities like dining facilities, fitness centers, and communal spaces, employees can meet their daily needs without leaving the building. The integration of 1.5 acres of outdoor terraces filled with native plants brings nature into the urban environment, enhancing well-being and productivity. The building uses energy-efficient systems, including high-performance insulation and low-emissivity glass to minimize energy consumption. An advanced HVAC system adjusts heating and cooling based on occupancy, reducing waste. Rainwater collected from the roof irrigates the green terraces filled with native plants. Let's talk about the Apple Park, or as many call it, the spaceship. Located in Cupertino, California, this 175-acre campus is more than just Apple's headquarters. It's a vision brought to life. The investment was substantial, with the total cost of Apple Park estimated at $5 billion. This ring-shaped structure spans over a mile in circumference and houses 12,000 employees. The building is clad entirely in curved glass panels, the largest of their kind ever used, surrounded by 80% green space, including drought-resistant trees and plants native to Cupertino. It replaced the original campus at Infinite Loop, which had been their home since 1993. The main building, designed by the legendary Norman Foster. And when it comes to design, Apple brought the same obsessive focus to the construction of Apple Park that they do to their products. Construction workers were required to wear gloves to avoid damaging surfaces, and all the interior wood for furniture was sourced from a specific species of maple. Even the concrete slabs which act as floors, ceilings, and part of the HVAC system were specially designed, each weighing up to 60,000 pounds. Yet, there's more to this story. Apple Park was not originally intended to be a circle, but as the design evolved, the circular shape became symbolic. A perfect loop of innovation, creativity, and sustainability. And in the middle of it all, a 30-acre park with fruit trees and winding pathways inspired by California orchards provides a peaceful escape for employees. The campus runs entirely on renewable energy, with solar panels generating 17 megawatts of power. Natural ventilation systems reduce the need for heating and cooling for 9 months of the year. Over 9,000 trees were planted, including orchards of apricot, olive, and apple trees, mirroring the local California landscape. Steve Jobs envisioned the campus as a place that embodied Apple's spirit of innovation and connected deeply with the local community. The design drew inspiration from the nearby Stanford University and the natural beauty of California. Jobs had a personal connection to the area, having grown up and started Apple not far from the site. He once said, "I think we have a shot at building the best office building in the world." Do you think Apple accomplished that? Have you ever imagined working in a place that feels more like a vibrant town than an office? That's exactly what Meta, formerly Facebook, has created with its Menlo Park campus in Silicon Valley. The East Campus, established in 2011, serves as the heart of Meta's operations. Instead of traditional office buildings, the campus resembles a small town designed around employee well-being. Open-plan offices filled with natural light encourage creativity and collaboration. In the center lies a bustling main street, not just empty space, but a vibrant area with eateries, coffee shops, and even a health center where employees can pick up medications or see a doctor. But what does Meta have to accommodate its ever-growing team? To meet the needs of its expanding workforce, Meta is developing an ambitious project called Willow Village. This isn't just an office expansion, it's a plan to build an entire community adjacent to the existing campus. Willow Village aims to create a city within a city, blending office spaces with homes, shops, and public amenities. The project includes 1.75 million square feet of new office space and 1,500 housing units, with 20% designated as affordable housing. This approach addresses local housing shortages and reduces commute times for employees. Additionally, 125,000 square feet of retail space will feature supermarkets, pharmacies, and cafes. Parks, open spaces, and possibly a new public school are part of the vision, enhancing the community feel. Could this model redefine how corporations engage with communities? You've probably heard how tech companies are flocking to urban campuses in the middle of cities. But Microsoft? They're taking a different route. They believe they can capture that modern city vibe without leaving their lush, forested suburban home. And they're not just talking about a few tweaks here and there. They're committing billions of dollars to this massive renovation and expansion. I'm talking about Microsoft's Redmond campus, a place that's been at the heart of the company since the 1980s. Currently, Microsoft is undertaking a significant transformation of its headquarters in Redmond, Washington. This isn't merely a renovation, it's a massive redevelopment aimed at modernizing the campus to foster collaboration, innovation, and sustainability. In recent years, Microsoft announced plans to overhaul its original campus, which had grown to include over 120 buildings since its inception in 1986. The redevelopment involves demolishing 12 older buildings and replacing them with 18 new ones, adding approximately 2.5 million square feet of new office space and renovating another 6.7 million square feet, mainly on the east side of Highway 520. When the dust settles, this campus will be able to accommodate 8,000 more employees, adding to their current 47,000-strong workforce in the Puget Sound region. The buildings are being constructed with sustainability at their core, aiming for zero carbon certifications. They incorporate renewable energy sources, smart building technologies, and sustainable materials to minimize environmental impact. To maximize green space on the surface, parking facilities are being moved underground. This strategic shift allows for more outdoor areas that can be utilized for sports fields, walking trails, and communal spaces. Microsoft is reimagining how a campus can function. They're creating spaces that foster collaboration, innovation, and a deep connection to the environment around them. And to top it off, they're even building a pedestrian bridge over Highway 520, making it easier for employees to move seamlessly across the campus. Have you ever imagined a building that intertwines nature with futuristic design? That's exactly what Amazon is creating with its new headquarters, known as HQ2 in Arlington, Virginia. After considering proposals from over 230 cities, Amazon chose Arlington as the site for this ambitious project. Amazon is investing $2.5 billion in the development of HQ2. The project is unfolding in phases, with the first phase, called Metropolitan Park, completed in June 2023. The second phase, known as Penn Place, will feature the iconic Helix building and is slated for completion by 2025. Metropolitan Park spans 2.1 million square feet of energy-efficient office space across two 22-story buildings. The buildings incorporate open floor plans and are filled with natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. Constructed with sustainable materials, they're aimed at achieving LEED Platinum certification. At the ground level, retail spaces will offer shops, restaurants, and cafes, making them easily accessible to both employees and the general public. At the heart of the development lies a 2-acre public park, which serves as a central green space. Following Metropolitan Park, the second phase of Amazon's HQ2 is Penn Place, slated for completion by 2025. Penn Place will add an additional 3.3 million square feet of office space across three 22-story buildings. But its most iconic feature is the Helix. The Helix is a 350-foot-tall architectural marvel that reimagines the concept of a corporate building. Designed by the architectural firm NBBJ, the Helix embodies Amazon's commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship. What makes the Helix so extraordinary? The Helix incorporates biophilic design, emphasizing the human connection to nature. The building features a spiraling outdoor walkway covered with lush greenery, trees, and gardens, allowing employees to ascend the structure as if hiking through a natural landscape. Inside, the Helix offers innovative workspaces set within botanical gardens, moving away from traditional office layouts to create environments that inspire creativity and enhance well-being. The building integrates energy-efficient systems, natural ventilation, and renewable energy sources. It will be powered entirely by 100% renewable energy, with part of this energy coming from a solar farm located in Pittsylvania County, about 200 miles away. Beyond the Helix, Penn Place is envisioned as a city within a city, providing amenities that serve both Amazon employees and the wider Arlington community. The site will offer over 2.5 acres of public green spaces, including landscaped plazas where visitors can enjoy outdoor concerts, farmers markets, and art installations. Ground floor retail spaces will support local businesses, contributing to the economic growth of the area while providing convenient dining and shopping options. Penn Place's design also focuses on enhancing transportation infrastructure, with improved pedestrian pathways, bike lanes, and close proximity to public transit, encouraging sustainable commuting. So why are these tech giants building these massive self-contained campuses? Why create a mini-city just for your employees? It's not just about giving folks free food and nap pods, though those are definitely nice perks. It's about building a world where work and life blend seamlessly, where creativity and collaboration can flourish. Imagine this. You wake up in your company-owned apartment, grab a coffee from the on-site cafe, hit the gym for a quick workout, and then stroll over to your office, all without ever leaving the campus. Sounds pretty convenient, right? That's the idea behind these cities within a city. These tech giants are creating self-sufficient ecosystems that cater to their employees' every need. From state-of-the-art workspaces and gourmet dining options to fitness centers, parks, and even healthcare facilities, these campuses are designed to keep employees happy, healthy, and productive. But it's not just about convenience. These campuses are also architectural marvels, showcasing innovative designs and sustainable features that push the boundaries of what's possible. Think green roofs, solar panels, and buildings that blend seamlessly with the natural environment. However, building a city within a city isn't without its challenges. It can put a strain on local infrastructure and housing, and some worry that these campuses create a bubble, isolating employees from the rest of the community. Are these tech giants building the future of work, or are they creating isolated enclaves? It's a complex question with no easy answers. But one thing's for sure, these megastructures are changing the way we think about the workplace, and their impact will be felt for years to come. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible headquarters of some of the biggest tech companies in the world. From Google's historic renovation to Amazon's futuristic helix, each headquarters is unique, reflecting the company's culture and vision for the future. They're designed to inspire creativity, foster collaboration, and push the boundaries of what's possible. But we want to hear from you. Which of these tech headquarters would you most like to work in? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome mega builds.